Welcome to our first business podcast episode. I am Nuria Anton Martinez, a four-year student, graduate in business management at UEMC. Through four podcasts, we'll address a crucial topic: how to say no to clients in a professional and effective way without affecting our relationship with them. Introduction. In Spain today, companies are facing major challenges such as globalization, new technologies, economic crisis, war in Ukraine, pandemic, etc. How to survive and prosper in the new economy? Everything has changed. From 1984 to 1929, films were characterized by the way they conveyed their message through nonverbal language, expression, and gestures. This was the era of silent films. The first successful sound film of this new era was The Jazz Singer. It came and changed everything forever. The fundamentals and criteria changed the film industry. Many denied the new situation of the industry. Others seized the opportunity and took the lead and adapted to the new situation. Andy Grove, CEO of Intel, conceived the third strategic inflection point and defined it as a strategic inflection point is a moment in the life of business when its fundamentals are about to change. The criteria rule of the game chance. This chance may be an opportunity to rise to new heights, but it is very likely to signal the beginning of the end. Some companies take advantage of a strategic inflection point and make a leap to ten others become obsolete, as in the case of some directors and actors in silent film era. The technological change that the arrival of the Internet has brought companies has tended to work in the same way. This change comes from a cumulative time of non-adaptation. Companies that have chosen to look the other way and stay behind, and others, of the contrary, have taken a more active role and have taken advantage of this opportunity to carry out digital marketing actions, features, and tools. These are programs or websites that will allow the development of functions within the Internet and that can be applied to any type of discipline such as teaching, medicine, and economics. It opens up a world of possibilities for companies with new channels that will allow them to improve communication and their customers and target audiences in a different way. Here are a few examples. Social networking enable with people, companies, and associations that are not in the same physical space in real time, messaging, chat, video conferencing, publish and create your own content, upload images, videos, cooking recipes, advertisement, promotion, create events, sweepstakes, travel report, link, etc. that lead to websites where you can buy or find information on everything from how to do a facial cleansing to repairing a small household appliance, etc. Content and publication with other people who have the same interests. problems, hobbies, being able to access from different sites with a network connecting table, computer, mobile at any time of the day. It facilitates access to information in real time and allows it to be stored and archived in different formats, text, imaging, video, in order to be able to access in real time. Several social networks are available to individuals and organizations: Facebook, Twitter, Vimeo, etc. They will enable their users to exchange, share, and store information in an easy and free content, text, audio, video, from anywhere in the world via Internet. Podcast. Under the podcast format, broadcast information, tutorials, entertainment, they can be stored and listening to at any time, but the user convenience without interfering with work, study, etc. Topic presentation. With this first podcast, I want to highlight the response to the turning point produced by the arrival of the Internet and how companies reflect in their digital marketing strategy either through the website, profiles created on social networks, YouTube, etc. The incorporation of new tools such as podcasts in communication and customer relationship management. Through development of an interesting, genuine, special and innovative podcast, the company tries to communicate in a differentiated way the management of its customer relations. In the planning process of marketing campaigns, content, publication schedules, and channels are programmed and defined as well as the objective to be. The real power of content marketing lies in delivering high-value information through different disruptive formats set chronologically through the stage of the campaign. Entertaining, easy to read, lively. They so generate emotion and touch the heart, produce a feeling in the gut, cause a shiver, make you cry or laugh, anything but indifference. Provide in-depth and truth-worthy information. It should be shared because it is of great interest. Ideally, it should go viral. Tell our story, our origin, our mission, and our values. Show the benefits, advantages, and our different value offer. Getting into the details, recalling why it's important to address this issue. Saying no does not mean rejecting the client. Rather, it's about setting boundaries and maintaining transparent communication, and this communication tool can be very useful for this purpose. Situation that arise in day-to-day business. 1. Limited capacity. Sometimes we simply cannot fulfill all requests due to time or resource constraints. Example, we are working on several projects simultaneously and we cannot guarantee an urgent delivery. Alternative, unfortunately, we can do it at the moment, but we can send it tomorrow morning. 2. Strategic priorities. We must focus on what really matters for the long-term success of the company. Example, Our priority is to improve product quality. Therefore, we cannot compromise on quality to meet this specific alternative. How about exploring other options that align with our strategic priority? 3. Preserving quality. Saying yes to everything can affect the quality of our work. Example, we have noticed that when we stretch ourselves too thin, the quality of our work decreases. That's why we have to say no on this occasion. Alternative. I understand that you are looking for a better price. However, we are currently offering promotion on other products. Supportive points. 1. Evaluate the application. Before answering, consider: is the request reasonable and feasible? That it's aligned with our values and objectives. 2. Offer alternatives. Instead of a simple no, provide options. Alternative E. Unfortunately, we can't do it at the moment, but we can offer you alternative. Alternative B. How about alternative solutions? 3. Be transparent and empathic. Communicate clearly. I understand that it is important to you. Making available to you the resources the company has available today to solve the problem you are raising. Our team is committed working to find the best solutions. Strategic priority. 4. Use samples. Recently, we have a similar situation with customer. We say no, we got profit double. Examples. 1. Customer requests urgent delivery. Reply. Unfortunately, we cannot guarantee delivery today, but we can send early tomorrow morning. 2. Customer wants additional discount. Answer. I understand that you are looking for a better price. However, we are currently offering promotion on other products. Conclusion. Saying no to customer is not easy, but it is essential to maintain healthy relationships. Remember to evaluate each request, offer alternatives, and be transparent. At the end of the day, saying no respectfully will strengthen our relationship with customer and our company's reputation. A conflict can start with a misunderstanding. In most cases, as I have explained, it is a phenomenon of dislocation between the customer's expectation and the company's offer. In this context, customer service area must work as a mediator of this conflict, safeguarding the interests of the company and seeking solutions for the customers. However, it's not always possible to reach agreements, and there is a risk that even a misunderstanding can turn into a reputational crisis for the company. For this reason, professionals and leaders in the area in question must be prepared to deal with problems, regardless of their scale of complexity. Thanks for listening. See you in the next episode. See you later.